beautiful humans, welcome back. Today I'm sharing something really close to my heart, a 10-minute intuition reset inspired by one of the chapters in my upcoming book, Girl, You're a Queen. I'm not revealing too much about the book yet, but this practice is inspired by the Queen of Swords chapter, and it stands powerfully on its own. It's designed for those moments when you feel disconnected from your inner knowing, when you've second-guessed yourself, doubted your intuition, or let someone else's words shake what your body already knew. In 10 minutes, it's my intention to guide you back into your center, help strengthen your clarity, and reconnect you to the part of you that always sees the truth. So get settled and let's begin. So I invite you to find a comfortable seat and soften your shoulders. Let your exhale fall out of your body like a long sigh. Feel yourself sinking into the space you're in, the chair, the floor, the air around you. Let your attention drift down from your mind into your chest, your belly, all the way down to your hips. You don't have to force any clarity here. You're just arriving. Bring your awareness to the space between your hips, your womb space, your intuitive center, the deep, quiet truth beneath the noise. Place your hands here and form the Yoni Mudra, connecting thumbs and forefingers to create a downward facing triangle. The other fingers loosely interlaced. This mudra invites insight. It grounds you. It helps you hear the truth without distortion. Breathe into this space. Feel the steadiness. Feel the rootedness. Now either looking at the screen in front of you with a gentle gaze, or imagining that same downward facing triangle in your mind's eye, rising up into the space between your eyebrows, your third eye. Your hands stay at your womb, but the energetic shape lifts into your inner vision. We'll trace the outside of the triangle with the breath. Start at the bottom point, the apex. Inhale for 5 counts, moving up one side of the triangle. Hold the breath across the top edge for 5, and exhale for 5, moving down the opposite side. So we'll empty out any breath. We'll do this together. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And one more time on your own. Then let the breath sharpen your focus and let it steady the mind. As the breath returns to normal, let the triangle at your third eye glow with a soft indigo light, the color of intuition, perception, and truth seeing. Inside that glowing shape, bring forward a moment, recent or long past, when your intuition whispered something real, and maybe you pushed it aside. Or a moment when someone's excuses or defensiveness made you question what you felt in your body. You don't need to relive it. You don't need details. Just acknowledge the sense you had, the knowing. Now place that knowing at the center of the triangle. Let the light surround it. Let it affirm, I wasn't wrong for feeling that. Now with each breath, repeat silently, I have the right to see. Feel how that mantra slices through old doubts. Feel how it clears out the static left behind by someone else's stories. Feel how it returns you to yourself, your clarity, your inner blade, your truth. Now let the light slowly fade. Let the triangle dissolve, but keep the clarity. Keep the quiet confidence. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Gently open your eyes when you're ready. And keep the gaze soft but steady. If something came through, a message, a truth, a realization, you may want to write it down. If nothing came through, trust that the clarity is still working its way to the surface. Thank you for practicing with me today. Namaste.